Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making pasta with we're going to be making a Bolognese sauce. So let's get started. Everything's going to be over here. I've got my water heating up, my salted water heating up with no oil. Please don't put oil in your pasta water. The sauce won't stick. I have a pound of ground beef. Now I have a pound of sweet Italian sausage. Minus the plastic. Alright, I'm going to get this broken up and started. And then I'll be adding my one chopped onion and a green bell pepper, but I'm using my frozen bag of chopped bell pepper. So let's get this broken up and get everything in there, and we'll bring you back for the next step. Okay, at this time I'm going to add my veggies. I've got my chopped onion. I've got my half of a 10-ounce bag of chopped bell peppers. I'm going to add half of a bag of chopped matchstix carrots. Lord's going to wear some of it. Alright, I'm going to add some dried herbs. If you're using fresh herbs, do not add it until it's done. So I need 2 tablespoons of, no, not 2 tablespoons. 1½ teaspoons of dried basil. I need 1 teaspoon of, I'm going to use my half a teaspoon measure of oregano. And half a teaspoon of marjoram. Like I said, if you're using fresh, don't do it now. No, I got to put these lids on. I won't know what's what. Basil was first. Alright. I need half a teaspoon of pepper. And a half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to stir this around and let this cook down for a few. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic as well. I need 5 or 6 tablespoons of minced garlic, but that's my choice on how much I use. Alright. I'm going to stir this around and let the onions and peppers cook up a little bit. I know those carrots really are going to cook up. Then we'll bring you back to add tomatoes and other stuff. See that shortly. Okay, at this time I'm going to add, I've got a little over half a cup of dry red wine. I'm actually using the burgundy that I used on the beef bourguignon. Turn this back on. I've got a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Okay, I've got 2 14.5-ounce cans of petite diced tomatoes. You can use 4, but my new addiction is this fire roasted tomato salsa. It's 14.5-ounce can as well, and I'm using 2 of those as well. Stir this up well. Pot's almost not big enough. And what you want to do here is bring it to a boil, then cover it and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. And there's more to do, one more step to do after you do this. So like I said, I'm going to bring this to a boil, cover it, and drop it down to a simmer, and let it simmer, and we will bring you back for the next step, the next to the last step, because the final step is eating it.
Okay.
Alright guys, this is cooked a little over 30 minutes. Look how pretty that looks. Alright, the last step of this, and this is what makes the Bolognese sauce, is you add about half a cup of heavy cream to this. Also, this is where you would add in your fresh herbs. I use dried herbs, but I will leave, and I'll tell you how much of the fresh you need to use. Alright, now I'm going to finish this up, which is really done. Finish up my pasta and my other things, and I'll meet you up whenever I'm serving it up. Be back shortly. Alright, got my spaghetti done. I'm not twirling it all that crap. I fix it like I eat it, you know. I'm a country cook, even though I live in the city. I don't need to do all that fancy schmancy stuff. Get some of this Bolognese sauce, which I'm so excited to eat. I've got some Parmesan cheese that I'm putting all over the place. And then I got a couple of cheese bombs that we just made. You've already seen this video. The cheese bombs, hopefully. Alright guys, our spaghetti with Bolognese sauce is ready. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I want to talk about something. Why do I make so much pasta sauce for 2 people? Well, because I love to freeze this, and it tastes better than it did the day you made it when you freeze it. Anyway, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you on the family when you do hit the button. The bell, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is normally every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Leave me a comment. Share this out on the social media and give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper's ready. Love y'all. Bye.